Hello there and welcome back to Abby's Home Kitchen. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I set up, clean my CAYNEL slow juicer. Please enjoy, and if you're new here, you're most welcome to this channel. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button to get notifications for my new videos. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for joining once again. I do hope this video helps. If you have a CAYNEL masticating slow juicer, this will really help a lot. This step is going to show you how easy it is to assemble the machine, how to disassemble it once you use it, how to clean, and how to assemble it back. So you can see that arrow. What you want to do is to make sure that it aligns with the other arrow that you see there. Once you have that in there, you have this. You just clip this inside that yellow circle you see there, and just make sure that you hear the click sound. Then you put the last cover on it, so you can see that edge. You want to make sure that it also matches and clicks into that section you have there. So just turn it clockwise and it clicks. So that's just how to assemble it. So after using it, I'm going to also show you how you can take it out, get it cleaned, and you'll see how easy it is to actually clean this. Just with water, you don't even need soap. So just the same way you clicked it when you were trying it the first time, you also just turn it to the left. In this case, that'll be anti-clockwise. Then in most times, once you hold that black shoot up there, it can easily pull out the three sections. So you can see that. So you just take that to your sink and run water through it. Before you do that, you clean this with just a damp foam or paper towel or cloth. Just to clean. You don't want to dip this in water because this is where the engine is. So once you're done with that, so just run water through this just to take out most of the leftover you have there. So without even using sponge, all you need is just water. Just run water through it as much as you can. So once you're done with that, you take the next thing. So as you can see, you don't need a lot of stress. There isn't so much to do. Just run water, let the water run through it. It does most of the job for you. Then you take this bowl here. You can see you can always use your hands to pull out whatever leftover you have in there. It's easy to pull out. Then at the back here, just remove that yellow movable rubber that you see there. Let water run through it and it's going to pop up all those leftover in there. Then the next is this. So this one, what you just do is there's a brush that came with the CAYNEL machine. So yeah, this is the brush that came with it. So just use that to brush it while you're running water through it. Just keep going until you complete that cycle, and that's just it. You can see how simple and easy this is. And once I'm done with this, what I'm just going to do basically is just to clean it up, just to clean the water on it with a clean towel. And also you can also skip cleaning it. You can just leave it if you're not using it again immediately. You can just leave it. It's going to dry up for the next time you're going to be using it. So you can see how clean that is. You don't even need to clean the inside. As long as you brush the outer parts, it's going to clean out the inside as well. So what I'm just doing here is just cleaning with a towel. You can skip this part and just leave it on your countertop to dry up. And once you do this, you can just assemble it back. Just the same process, the same step with it the first time. And I do hope that this video is really going to help a lot of you. And I had to do this video because I had a few people on my Instagram page asking me about how I assemble, how I clean and all that. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to click the like button. You can share your ideas as well in the comment section. And also guys, do not forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't. I do hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful time, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.